Dear friends, we have received a sign to us in glory. That means that it is ours as long as we claim it, or in this case, proclaim it. If some thief comes along and tries to steal your seat, you have two options. You can either curl down and take a lower position, or you can stand up and say, "That is my seat, thief. Get back to where you came from." It is so crucial that we understand that no one can snatch it away from us. Sure, we can be a coward and we can be afraid to stand up and take a lower seat. Revelation 21:8 makes it perfectly clear that the cowardly will be assigned a seat in a very different place. Be bold and be strong. Remain securely seated in and with Christ Jesus. This is Reverend David Allen with Just a Glimpse saying, find your seat and be blessed, and be blessed.